Welcome to Trade Pro. I've had a few people request that I make a video around price action trading strategies or chart pattern trading strategies or using support and resistance, things along those lines. I just want to explain why I don't make those videos and why I won't be recommending using that sort of trading strategy or system. I personally believe that indicator trading systems are just better. They work much better for you, and it's in your best interest to use an indicator-based trading system over those other methods. Now, the reason why is because I didn't have success using those other methods, using support, resistance, trend line, chart patterns, price action, candlestick patterns and stuff. They just didn't work for me, so I never was profitable using just those methods. So I'm not saying that you can't make money that way, and I know that it's a fact that there's plenty of people out there who are making money that way, but I think for most new traders it's much better to use a indicator-based system because it leaves out any sort of subjectivity, decision making, emotions, things that can get in the way when you're trading with that sort of method. Indicators do all the work for you, so you just simply follow what the system says and you make money. It's so much easier, especially for new traders who have not developed their emotional control, trading psychology, and such. So it's pretty simple why I don't recommend that way of trading, but I'm not hating on the crowd of people who does trade that way, and I'm not saying you shouldn't maybe try it out, but I'm not going to tell you to trade that way. I'm going to recommend that you trade with an indicator system. All right, so strict, rigid. It's the way that a lot of the the books that I've read have told me to trade. So that's why I have gotten to where I am, is based on the education that I have received. So, to each their own. I know that those price action trader and naked chart guys, a lot of them really hate on indicators. And I don't see any reason to hate on them because they're better. Or that's my opinion, but I think they are better. And I think that they are so strongly against the indicators is because they don't work for them when they used indicators. So it's the same sort of thing, just the opposite of me. When they were using indicators, they weren't profitable, and then they got really into price action, and it worked for them. So, to each their own. I don't hate them, and I don't know why they feel so strongly about hating on indicators, but it is what it is, and I don't have too much more to say on the subject other than I find it really hard to test with those sort of methods. So it's really hard for me to back test when you have chart patterns, price action, and things like that. I tend to get really amazing hindsight results back testing, and then in real time it doesn't quite perform the same. With indicator-based systems, it's much easier to back test and see the similar results in real time. All right, so that's just my sort of view on the matter and why I have not had any strategies that are focused on support and resistance or price action or patterns and things along those lines. But I think that's all I have to say on the subject. It's really pretty simple, my reasoning on it, and hopefully that makes sense to those of you out there who have been wanting to see a strategy like that. All right, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I really appreciate the support on the channel. It's grown much faster than I expected, so expect more in the near future. I've been trying to come out with a video and just haven't gotten to it. So here is a quick one that was pretty easy to make, and I'll have more content coming up in the near future. But thanks to those of you out there who are watching the videos, and hope that you're learning something. Have a nice day now.